Welcome to Kiddos.
In a lily pond, round and green, lived Freddy the Frog, quite the funny bean. He didn't croak like frogs around, instead he made a super silly sound. While others croaked Ribbit, Ribbit, clear, Freddy went squeak for all to hear. The turtles giggled, the fish swam near. What was that noise we just heard here? Freddy shrugged with a goofy smile. I've sounded weird for quite a while. My croak is silly, strange and loud, but it always makes my mama proud. One morning at dawn, the pond was still. Fog rolled in from the grassy hill. The frogs tried croaking Ribbit, Ribbit, hooray, but their normal calls had faded away. Help, cried Frodo, frog in fear. No one can hear our croaks this year. Freddy blinked, maybe my sound will do. Let me try my funny one, just for you. He puffed his cheeks, stood tall and round, and let out his squeak, a thunder sound. It echoed far through every tree, waking birds and buzzing bees. Animals rushed from the forest deep, all thanks to Freddy's mighty squeep. A wise old owl hooted, what a gift. Your funny sound gave the pond a lift. Freddy blushed green from toe to eyes. I never knew my squeep could save lives. His friends all nodded, be proud, not shy. Different is special, give it a try. Now Freddy sings his funny tune, morning, evening, night and noon. The pond joins in with claps and cheers. Freddy squeep his music to their ears. So remember Freddy, brave and true,